Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's see today what we are making, and before that do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video share with this your friends and family, and don't forget to like this video. So let's see what we are making.
So today I'm going to make chicken curry in 15 minutes. Here I've taken chicken pieces. In there add some vinegar, salt as per taste, black pepper powder, Kashmir red chilli powder, ginger garlic paste, sugar, curd or dahi, melted butter, and tomato ketchup. That's all we need for this dish. Now we will nicely marinate them. You can keep this chicken marinated for at least 1 hour, or you can cook immediately. So now let's cook. In a pan I have taken some butter, now add only the chicken pieces, now fry from both the sides. Once the chicken has been fried from both the sides, add some green chilli and add the marinated mixture. Now cover it with the lid and cook it in low flame till the chicken cooks properly. So here we go, our chicken curry is ready to serve.